Today, I'm going to go to Fukuroda Waterfall, located in the mountains of Daigo in Ibaraki Prefecture. Despite the rain, I'm determined to see the waterfall for the first time. The waterfall can be accessed by car and parking is roughly 500 yen. If it's raining, don't forget your umbrella. Along the way, you can see many beautiful flowers that are famous here in Ibaraki. After about a 5 minutes walk, you will reach a long tunnel that was built to make accessing the waterfall easier. In the tunnel, there is a small shrine and lover sanctuary. Don't forget to visit it. There is a lot of sea along the way, but if you are patient, you can see this. The waterfall has a height of 120 meters and a width of 73 meters with 4 tiers. This waterfall is one of Japan's 3 most beautiful waterfalls. Thanks for watching.
Local